Homemade ice cream, the best homemade ice cream you ever ate. This is a caramel fruit-based ice cream. No milk, no added sugar, no preservatives, just fruits. So if you want to lose weight, gain control of your health, of your nutrition, rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, this is what you need even to reduce your diabetes. So stay until the end to learn how to make a fruit-based homemade ice cream that tastes like caramel. Hi, this is Dr. Corassa. I have made these 4 recipe videos that will follow on the channel almost 10 years ago, but I haven't published them. So I would like you to see the recipes and enjoy as much as I did creating them and recording them. Watch until the end and give me a comment below.
Hi, this is Eduardo Corassa, a raw food chef from Brazil, and today I'm presenting a raw food ice cream made of 100% fruit, low fat, and extremely delicious. And so simple, you're not going to believe it. For this recipe, we're going to need 5 ripe bananas, 100 to 150 grams of fresh pitted dates or dried dates, and a Ziploc, a plastic bag with a Ziploc. But if you don't have it, it's not 100% necessary. Don't worry, you can use a plastic container or even a plate. So we are going to start peeling the bananas and storing them in the Ziploc. So this needs to be done at least 5 hours before doing your recipe, because this Ziploc with the bananas is going to the freezer, and you need at least 5 hours to freeze to the point when we blend we will get an ice cream instead of a smoothie or a banana cream. The most important part is using sweet fruits that are more dense and sweet, using ripe fruits, and having a good machine to process. It helps to make the job easier and better and more tasty. So the bananas are locked. I'm going to put this on the freezer from 5 to 8 hours, but I can store for days if you need it, or even weeks. So 5 hours after, now that we have our frozen bananas, we're going to let them sit for a few minutes, throw in our cutting board. So we're going to put the bananas in a cutting board and cut them into small pieces, so it's easier to blend without adding any water. That's what we want. So we're just going to add the bananas to the blender and then the dates, always in this order. If you have any trouble in blending it, you can always add a little bit of water or use the pulse and keep turning on and turning off the blender, and have also a little bit of patience. So let's turn on the blender and blend. You can also use the pulse so you don't overheat the blender. But even then, if you overheat the blender, it has a safety button, a safety mechanism. When it starts to overheat, it will turn itself down, and you just press a button under the blender so it turns on again. So using the pulse again. So now with the ice cream ready, we are going to get our ice cream scoop, preferably, and scoop out the ice cream, and always take the excess out of the scoop, so we have a perfect bowl, okay? And we're going to serve. I call it caramel because the dates give an extra sweetness and also like a little bit of crunchiness and a little bit of the caramel color. So we have a perfect raw fruit ice cream, 100% fruit, that is so sweet, so simple, easy to make, cheap, and nutritious and healthy. So, ready to give it a try? So delicious. No need to use any industrialized ingredients that are not healthy, that are not good for you. See you in the next video.
So do you like the video? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button for notification, comment below, give it a thumbs up, and also share. If you want my help as a clinical nutritionist, I attend patients online and in private sessions. I run retreats here in Brazil. I have 6 online courses, but it's still in Portuguese, and I have 10 books that are being translated to English. The most recent one is the Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery, the Natural Delicacy Cooking Without a Stove, and the Eden's Diet, the Guide to Raw Foods, the original diets. You can order them on Amazon, on print on demand, or in Kindle, and to arrive at your home, the printed version, so you can read the best there's out there on lifestyle medicine, the modern natural hygiene lifestyle medicine. So if you want to learn and to change your daily habits to more healthy habits, more healthy life, don't forget to read and click these videos to know more.